Hey guys, um, sorry I can't be here today. I am actually off visiting schools that have recently put additions on that used our contractors that we're going to be using for our remodel of the high school, middle school, and elementary schools. So I'm off looking at additions and how we can maybe change and remodel our school to provide a better learning environment. I know it's been a really weird week, cold weather, and let's see if I do my math right, about a 70 degree swing going into Sunday, um, where we're going to have highs in the 40s and 50s almost. So it's been a weird week. I hope you guys enjoyed your day off. You're probably cooped up. You didn't do much outside, so um, I'm sorry I can't be here today. I know it's kind of weird starting the second semester. At least I've had all of you. I've had my bio class a little bit weird because some of them are transitioning over from Mr. Reed and they've never had me, and I'm gone on the first day. So at least you know who I am. Um, so this is obviously I had to put this together. This is not ideal how I wanted to roll this out because I wanted to give you guys some more. I had class last year, had a great time, called it Battle Royale with water issues. Um, so that's what we're rolling out today, but I wanted to give you guys a little bit of content background first. So you will notice that on Canvas, you'll first of all, on Canvas, you're going to find a video. If I go to Canvas, you will see that the video is Bellwork Water Resource Content video. This is the video that you need to watch, take notes on a Google Doc, and then submit them. Submit your notes here once you are done. Once you are done with that, you are going to, you are going to um, you are going to look into a water issue topic. So I know everyone's going to finish this at a little bit different pace, the first part of it. You're going to have to wait till everyone's done because everyone's going to be working together in different groups. So water issue discussion, we're going to prepare for next class, prepare for the Battle Royale. Groups are going to be preparing arguments for what the greatest water resource concern is globally right now. Your goal is to convince your peers that your issue should take front and center stage and it should be dealt with first. Now, you're going to find that there are going to be some connections between them, but obviously, how we go about addressing those issues you want your arguments to be centered around how to address your issue first, and then that will help other issues. So, the topics. Here are the four topics. How water issues create a national and global security issue. We're talking about war. Okay, so that's what I mean about global conflict between countries, between states, between municipalities, all of those things. So how does it create a national or a security issue? Okay, so that's what that is. Economic issue. Obviously, you guys understand economics, supply and demand, those kind of things. So how is it an economic issue? How should that take front and center stage? Or is it a human health issue? Is that the first thing that should be addressed? Is that water resources issues? It is a global human health issue. Or do we need to address the environment? Is what we're doing to our water supply or what's happening to water supply around the globe, is this an environmental issue? And that's what we should address first. So those are four topics. Your groups, the groups that you're going to be working in. So our national and global security issue, that's going to be Jack, Colton, Will, Tyler W, and Dundon. You guys are working on national global security. So you're working together to put together an argument that this is the first issue that should be addressed in water concerns. The second one is human health issue. So that's going to be Paige, Alex, Kirsten, Anna, and Genevieve. So you guys are working together on the human health issue. So make sure that you're focusing on that. And our third issue is an economic issue. That is going to be Matt, Michaela, Madison, and Hannah. You guys are looking at this as, okay, we need to address the economics of water resources first. And that's the first thing that should be front and center. And last, environmental issue. So that is going to be Jake, Tyler L, Johnny, Eric, and Emma. You guys are making this into an environmental issue, that this is what needs to be addressed first, that the environment should come first, and then that will take care of other issues down the road. Now, what do you need to do with this? You need to have a minimum of 6 resources that tightly connect your topic. So, I mean, do you guys dig into find articles that specifically talk about how water resources are a security issue, a human health issue, an environmental issue, or an economic issue? You need to find 6 sources that you can pull information from. So that is going to be number one thing, is starting to find those resources. Now, that's a minimum. You might need more. Okay, I know that if I say minimum, that's what you're going to end with. But I think you're going to need more if you want to create a good argument. And this is going to be a summative grade when you guys are discussing this. So everyone needs to get involved. Okay. You need to prepare an opening statement. That opening statement is going to be here is why our issue should take front and center stage. That is what your opening statement is. Then, because this is going to be a discussion and a little bit more of a debate, because it's a battle royale, you need to figure out what are the other groups going to say for arguments that you are going to have to refute. So make sure that you are looking into. So you have 6 resources for your topic, but you're going to have to dig into. Okay, well, what are some of the points that they're going to make, and how can I say, you know what, that is an issue, but my issue is more important. Okay, so that is what you are going to be working on today. Like I said, it's a little bit weird. I have some other parts to this, but because I'm not here, it just makes it more difficult. So those are things that you and your groups are going to have to work on. Obviously, the video, you can go back one more time. Here are the groups: environmental issue, economic issue, human health issue, national security. So if you have any issues or water issues, not that. If you have any things that come up that you need me to address, please email me. I'll try to get back to you guys this weekend. I would like to have your opening statement, your resources all ready to go at the beginning of class on Tuesday so that we can go into the next phase, what I want you to do. I do want to point out that maybe a starting point, we started putting this together, the hot topics on Canvas page here. These are some of the links, and people already say here, distribution, shortage, usage, human impact, and other. Here are some articles you can start with that you guys started putting together last time. And then obviously that the hot topic spreadsheet is right here on Canvas for you guys to access. So bell work, do that first, and then start getting into your groups. Have a wonderful weekend. Get outside, do some sledding. Good luck to the basketball. Good luck to rock climbing. Good luck to wrestlers. Good luck to our Palms dance team. All that kind of stuff this weekend. But get outside, enjoy, do some sledding. Should be perfect weather. Cross country skiing if you're into that, and I bet you guys are more into sledding. But have a great weekend, and I will see you on Tuesday. And let me know if there are any issues that you need help with that I can address.